Welcome to Wake Up Epic. Today is all about weaving together allowance and choice. And we're going to do some shoulder mayhem and ordering for your shoulders. So our movement of the day is inhale, ah. Exhale, ooh. So we've got an opening, a sense of looking at what is, what's truly there. And exhaling, ooh, choice. What do I want to do about it? Super relevant for right now in our geopolitical context. Inhale, ah, what is going on? The capacity to handle all of it. Exhale, ooh, what's mine to do? Given everything, and everything is given. What's mine today? So where do you stop from taking in the world? Where do you judge it? Where do you resist it? Where do you not choose to engage? Where do you refuse? And where do you resist? We've got to lower our barriers. All the barriers to being, doing, having, generating, creating. What if there were no barriers and you were safe? Not accepting everything, not accepting or telling yourself that you're apathetic or you're helpless or hopeless. Where are you more powerful than you realize? A little faster if it's okay, if it's comfortable. Can you weave them together? And slow it down. Don't want anybody passing out. Where are you more powerful, purposeful, inspiring, and inspired than you even knew was possible? Where is it that you can't even help but embody your global contribution? Now, that's going to open up all sorts of new possibilities today. So please comment and share, at least with yourself, what you're noticing. If you'd like to comment on the video, that'd be really great too. Would love to hear from you. Shoulder mayhem. There's a dynamic between chaos and order. So what I'd like you to do is one arm goes across and then you're going to grab it from underneath. Just something comfortable. This is much more advanced. This is much more basic. And then you're going to start to move your body around. It's going to challenge your deltoids, challenge your pecs. Now, I'm kneeling here. So you are choosing whatever is appropriate for you, whether it's standing, sitting, kneeling. Do not make yourself too uncomfortable. So make this move a little bit chaotic in the sense that you don't know exactly where you're going to go next. The order of it is already implied. We've got your pecs, your pectoralis muscles shortened, your deltoid lengthened. So your rhomboids behind you, between your shoulder blade and spine, they are lengthened. So we've got some order as a foundation of this chaos. Switch sides. Start off slow in case you got a little carried away like I did. Where do you tend to get carried away and then you lose a sense of trust and you try to scale it back and control things? That never happens to you, right? Just me? So can you trust this order Allow for the sensations. Allow for the acknowledgement. If there's pain, right, you're allowing, like, oh, there's pain. So I'm going to change this, make it smaller. Oh, there's no pain. I'm going to allow more range of motion. Choice, 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 every step of the way. Okay, excellent job. Next, we're going to take your hands back behind you. Now, you can do this from kneeling, and you can also do this from sitting. You can have your legs out in front of you. Just find a way to get your hands slightly behind you, and then you're going to move. Now, your elbows move, your shoulders move. If there's pinching pain, please adjust your hands. There's so many ways you can adjust this. So there's no significant pain. You're not grinding through anything. But you do get to go every which way. Elevation in your shoulders, depression in your shoulders, ups, downs, forwards, backs. Now simply just change the direction of your hands. So if your hands were sideways, turn your fingers in or back and resume chaos in the shoulders. A chaotic shoulder mobility and core integration. Because your ribs are getting elevated, contracted, rotated. Change the position of your hands one more time, fingers back, or whatever direction you have not done yet. And last round, some shoulder mayhem here in this position. Okay, great. We got one more round. You can come to any seated, kneeling, comfortable, standing position you want. The move is palms are up. As long as the palms stay up, you can move them anywhere. Oops. Oh, there. Palms up. So this particular move here, if you haven't done it before, it's like you're holding teacups, and your palms stay up or mostly up the entire time. Okay, now given that move, let the arms go every which way. And to tell the truth, if you turn a palm down for a moment, you don't fail. Which is, where can you go? Where can you go with the shoulders? You totally give them freedom, allowance. Could you give yourself more allowance to be a little nutty and different? Some allowance of quote unquote mistakes and failures? How many choices can you make here in the next few seconds without going too fast? Okay, well done. Let's settle in for our minute of silence. Close your eyes. For the breathing, I invite you to control and let go of the breath the entire time. Control and let go, whatever that means to you. Open your eyes. Welcome back. Move your body. Thank you for waking up epic today. Pay attention to everything that shows up, especially when it has a theme of allowance or choice or something feels like it's emerging for you. Because this week has been about inspiration. What is inspiring you? How are you inspiring others? So thanks for being here, and I'll see you in tomorrow's practice, the last part of our inspiration series, where we weaved all of them together into a mini deep dive into your authenticity.